Today we are diving deep into the architecture of Gemini Robotics 2, exploring how we move from basic dexterity to full whole-body coordination. We'll unpack the intuitive physical intelligence that lets these systems handle complex tasks like tidying a garage with two units working in sync. We'll reverse engineer the biomechanical principles that allow a humanoid to mimic the incredible joint coordination of the human body. Let's start by looking at the core philosophy behind true robotic dexterity. To be truly useful, robots must possess the dexterity we often take for granted. While you don't consciously control 22 separate joints in your own hand, AI models like Gemini Robotics 2 are learning to do exactly that. We developed a series of specific tasks to test and refine this capability. First, the robot packs lunch by placing grapes into a Ziploc bag. This demands high precision and complex coordination. The real challenge emerges when closing the bag. The robot must manipulate the seal with extreme accuracy. Next, it unscrews a light bulb housed inside a sphere. This requires precise fingertip contact and a sophisticated understanding of twisting, pushing, and pulling motion simultaneously. We are also advancing capabilities with parallel grippers, proving that dexterity, precision, and three-dimensional spatial awareness are solvable problems. The robot learns to reorient objects in space and place them correctly. A key test involves multi-fingered hands tying intricate knots to seal trash bags. This level of manipulation is essential for handling complex real-world objects such as hazardous waste. Ultimately, our goal is to deploy robots for dangerous tasks that currently put humans at risk. By mastering these intricate movements, we move closer to a future where robots can safely manage environments that are too risky for people. If dexterity is the baseline for utility, then the next logical step is embedding that capability into a system that understands the entire body, not just isolated limbs. Meet Gemini Robotics 2, a system designed to give humanoid robots the intuitive physical intelligence humans take for granted. While previous models focused on simple movements like running or jumping, this update aims to handle the messy complexity of real-world environments. The core innovation is a generalist model that allows a single robot to perform a wide variety of different tasks without needing retraining for each specific action. The first major breakthrough is whole body control. Moving a robot feels simple to us, but it requires the system to make hundreds of tasks simultaneously. Gemini Robotics 2 achieves this by coordinating delicate movements of the torso with the precise actions of the hands and grippers. Second, the system features dexterous hands capable of complex manipulations. The AI is trained to handle difficult interactions with small objects, such as screwing in a light bulb or sealing a plastic bag. These tasks require driving 22 separate joints in the hand, a level of coordination previously thought impossible for machines. Finally, the platform introduces multi-robot collaboration. Two robots work on the same task at once, such as organizing tools in a bin. Each robot runs its own neural network and thinks independently, yet they orchestrate tasks through shared reasoning. To complete the job wins intelligent for full-body capability and collaborative capability marks a significant leap in robotics. Once a robot possesses this intuitive physical intelligence, the real test becomes scaling that single-agent capability to multiple units collaborating on a shared environment. One person struggles with a cluttered garage, but two robots can finish the job simultaneously. Gemini Robotics 2 introduces a collaboration feature where multiple machines work on the same task at once. A user asks Apollo to help tidy the space and return tools to their kit. The robots identify specific items like a scrubbing mitt and a spray bottle. A high-level reasoning model breaks down the steps, determining not just the next action, but when a task is complete. Apollo hands over control to its partner Duo to handle the final organization. Precision matters when placing objects into bins. While broad movements cover large areas, the system maintains fine control for delicate tasks like gripping small items. Each robot runs its own neural network stack, allowing them to think individually while orchestrating their actions through shared reasoning. Both robots communicate with the user and each other, deciding the right moment to assist. This ability to talk and collaborate expands the range of tasks they can perform. The goal is for these autonomous systems to enter real-world environments and help with daily chores, turning chaotic spaces into organized ones. Seeing two robots coordinate to clear a cluttered space highlights a critical gap. Current systems struggle to replicate the fluid, multi-joint synergy we see naturally in human movement. The human body is built with countless muscles and joints, allowing us to move with incredible coordination. Robots, however, face a different challenge. In this demonstration, a humanoid robot named Apollo is to help children pack for sports. By analyzing a calendar, Apollo identifies that Jesse has a pickleball match and Jeremy has a baseball game. To assist, the robot must retrieve specific items and organize them. The core of this operation lies in the Gemini Robotics in-body reasoning model. This system perceives the environment, interprets natural language instructions, and calls upon a vision-language action model to execute complex tasks. The robot must coordinate every joint and actuator, from its feet to its fingertips, while maintaining a precarious balance. If the robot leans too far forward, it must instantly push its legs backward to prevent tipping over. These decisions happen in fractions of a second, requiring the robot to make hundreds of micro-adjustments across its entire body. Apollo demonstrates its ability to navigate a cluttered workshop, identifying the correct pickleball paddle on a middle shelf and placing it in a bag. The system is designed to be general purpose, capable of handling failures by recognizing them and attempting the task again. After packing the gear, Apollo offers further assistance, ready to throw a challenge to its human operator. The ultimate vision is to develop a generalist robot capable of performing a wide variety of useful tasks in the real world, where whole-body control is essential. With the rapid advancement of AI serving as the missing piece of the robotics puzzle, the future of autonomous machines looks incredible. Appreciate you hanging out with us today. If this breakdown was useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.